they look me koro koro or you they hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja and Port Harcourt, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. This na the Ogbonge Politic Discussion Show. As it is hot, we tell you say every weekday from 10 to 11 downtown Christmas. Sake of say all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, talk them the way the thing be, give you license to chook mouth inside to talk them, so that those when they lead this country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
A beautiful Wednesday morning to our wonderful and beautiful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry that Ogbonge program as they hot. Come now, don't again. That program we say it is function of different political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today will not go different because today we will carry very hot matter come. Matter we say it concern una, it concern us, it concern every Nigerian. Because if we don't talk about them, who else want to talk about them on top of this program? Now what we go address today. I will also open our phone line so that at least our viewers where they watch us from different parts of our Obodo Nigeria and the other parts of the country for other areas. Go feel do it, go feel call. Chook man for this matter so that at least collectively, as always they talk collectively, we go know as we take do it in, move this country forward. My name never to change. My name now Nkubi, and this now as it hot.
I don't need to clear my throat before I introduce our Ogbonge visitor. Sake of say, in a person when we say, if you dey call am for phone, say, Oga, I won't book appointment. You must carry 2 years calendar because in movement, no be the one when we say it is very, very ordinary. Anything we get to do with security inside Obodo Nigeria and inside Obodo the world. If they get president, I know say be humble man, but I go talk am, him go follow. I even dey very, very sure, say if no be say him busy. That time when we say America find Osama bin Laden, enter inside where they hide. If for follow them because information plenty for your hand where. Anything we get to do with security inside Obodo the world and Obodo Nigeria, it dey in fingertips. And they talk of no other than Oga Ubong King. Oga Ubong King, now the Chief Executive Officer of Protection Plus Services.
Area hello. No mind Chukudi and Kobe where they come they try me this morning. They say make I show, now I show. At the hello now. Good morning.
Oga Ubong King, we know say you na very very. The way we even don't sit down say, they show say based on security. You know say me I get military background.
You don't they protected already? Say bring her from any guy.
Excuse me.
I wait for.
Those of us when go.
I beg you, come out.
Those of us when go command.
Command. Which of the one we go enter through back here, Dabi?
Holiday lesson.
Thank God they even admit and say holiday lesson, not be the regular one. So Oga Ubong, we get one tradition here. We normally do it. We normally shake the hand of our guest, our visitors, so that once the matter don't start, make you no be say, we carry you for mine. Make you no go there assume say, I be like say this people plan me come. So see my own hand here.
I hear.
You're welcome.
So we don't sign treaty now.
Agreement.
Treaty.
No wahala. The topic where we carry come today now, one when we say they affect all of us inside Obodo, Nigeria. We carry blankets, come carry 2 pillow underneath this particular discussion. Sake of say, our visitor na person when we say, anywhere when he sit down, he go good, make person, I go speak English, maximize in visit to get every available information. So today, just like yesterday, it go be 2 in 1. The first one we go discuss, na the growing threat of Fulani herdsmen inside Obodo, Nigeria, and we'll come top them up with the one we get to do with a very important issue. When it come be like say kidnapping inside Nigeria, don't they turn business where some people don't think say they're going to make plenty money from. We go check all the problems where they cause all these things and how we go take fit tackle them to use ensure say for inside our Obodo, Nigeria, we go get security. And people when we say they won't do bad, we go ensure say we they check their activities. Oga Ubong King, once again, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
As It Dey Hot, I salute.
We no go waste time now. Make we go straight to this particular one. It be like say, we go talk say matters have come to a head because of what happened for Agatu local government area inside Benue State, where it be say some kind of bad guys. They talk say they just emerge from inside bush, just do some kind of badness for inside that local government. And sure say the local they mess the place up. Make I not talk the one we say strong well. Even the representative of the United Nations when they inside Obodo Nigeria here come out come talk say Agatu dey inside total ruins. We go dey check say when no be war situation, people when be say based on say movement or themselves they won't survive, they go enter inside full local government inside this our country, can't destroy them. I go like make you use your experience. Wetin be the state of security inside Obodo Nigeria? Say now say until Angel Gabriel And the angels then when use sword for Old Testament to protect the children of Israel come down before this country we go get security inside this country. I mean we still dey learn for where we dey.
No be say we dey learn o. It's only say we know they take things seriously. Yeah? Now when you put garri inside butter inside garri, leave and go. You go come back to say go be the same level na lie. No. It go don set. Now, unfortunately, in this our own country, we never take security important because we've been relaxed. Now, the challenge we come dey be say, person dey born pikin every day. Yeah. The size of Nigeria no big. Same size. Meanwhile, we don't reach 180 million people. Now, with 180 million people, with only 50 million people where they work. So that means for everybody where they work, 3 people you get to feed. So when employment no come there and you delete one person from job, that means you have increased the unemployment ratio and all man get to chop. Whether you like it or not. Now, if person they do business and no market for them again, and they get 15 people when they feed, ain't got to find money, either legally or illegally. Now, if you look school, people when they go university, they come up from university, no job. Yeah? And every time where they come up for like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 people, no get job, 5 years. So if you put 20,000 people, come up 5 years, now 100,000 people. And when 100,000 people no get job, they get to eat. If the jobs no day, it be done knock. Now, for the country, 75% of the total population are youth. Under 45. And out of this 75%, 40% are unemployable because they no get skill. Skill be say, okay, you get computer literate or you fit do engineer or something because they no get. And because when they put them as percentage, make person put the figure for number, may put the number down. 40% is 68 million people. So if 68 million people no get job, what you want? Agro go boss now. So that is first the foundation of the issue. Now, when you come multiply them, person wey don dey water side, never chop breakfast, no chop lunch. Then you come begin the waka with Benz, they go. You think say
You go dey happy.
Bam. So first of all, that's not the first situation where
The
they go.
background to the problem.
Yes, because as they tell everybody, all the wahala where they see for Nigeria, everything is smoke. And there is no smoke without fire.
So the fire they under.
Bakam.
Okay, Ogabong, you mentioned 2 important things where we say I hold. You mentioned an increasing population.
Yes.
You also mentioned increasing unemployment. Okay, if we don't get these 2 major issues, we say, of course, now must say everybody go born pikin. That is, now must say population go do it, go increase. And I also must say anybody that don't born enter this world, go do it, go at least go eventually find something way they do. And if we can't get this amount of like you don't mention, say about how many percent, 68 million youths we no get when they are unemployed. You understand? Okay, more can't bring in, more can't bring her from this angle. Say if you say now criteria because of say you no get work. Or probably because of say you steal a particular thing. May I just take a typical example of the Fulani herdsman case? Why for the Agatu matter? So because of say then do it in they steal their cows. That is why the issue of say that they can't retaliate. If to say this, if they see from this angle, you understand? So if it's not criteria for person to say he won't take law into his own hand, cause say okay, because of saying I steal my cow. Okay, make a do it.
Calm down. Yeah? You know that story very well. Yeah? Fulani headmen say the Agatu people take out their cows. How many cows? 10,000.
Okay.
Now
from them
we calm down now. 10,000 cows be mud. Then we take out, then we kill 10,000 cows. Now, one cow now 200 bail. If you do your calculation, now 2 billion naira lost there.
So if not 2 billion naira,
Calm down.
Okay.
My brother, person no get job. All that cow is in investment. Person don't they walk the thing they come up. Now one guy take him out. Now, you go agree.
But do you think? But wait, quickly.
And they give you the motivation. And they play the devil advocate here.
Okay.
And they play the devil advocate. If person take your car where you buy, even however you take get her, you no go rake.
You go rake, but then if you go rake, shey you go call for maybe say okay, you wan completely desert a particular community, even carry the killing, enter family, say okay, pursue them comot from their community, take over the community.
Bros, that is why I say there is no smoke without fire. I know they support wetin people are doing.
No, of course I understand.
Now, but wetin I dey tell you be say that was their motivation. Now, so if you trace it back now, what is the smoke? What is the fire? Wey cause the smoke in there? Now, if we don't put people wey get sense for office, go know say, first of all, with the rising population, people demand for food go increase.
Yes.
So if demand for food go increase,
then also need to increase
their production and their capacity. Whether they go use research and development to populate the cows, maybe hybrid cows, maybe say instead of this one dropping like two calves, it go drop like 6, and then the growth rate will be faster so that you can circulate more. That one go make sense. Now, because the rate at which the cows are coming is not enough, so the ones that they have, they try to protect it. Now, the people where the Fulani headsmen, they don't go school. And there is always a natural instinct in every man to protect his own investment.
Very true.
And anyhow, when you want to protect them, you go protect them. It may not always be the right way. Now, but the responsibility of us and government be say, okay, how can we checkmate this before it goes out of hand? Because if we not checkmate them on top, no be say it go escalate. And before you finish that one, as they don't buy people for this side, no people wait and buy, you think say they go keep quiet. They don't keep quiet now.
At all.
Yes.
Their family too go rise up, say, look, where they get hope for this bros? And now you can't take out anybody when
So
near
you they can't become, you do me, I do you back.
That is the current challenge.
Oga King now, it's good as you go back, give the background to
Serious
the whole situation.
Serious background.
And you don't already talk and say, if we dey see smoke, make we no think say na WWE.
No.
Fire dey under am. Now make we come down now, come address that particular fire so that at least when we quench the fire, we go know say smoke no go dey again. We don't talk about the increasing population. We don't talk about rising rate of unemployment. We don't talk about people when we say by every means necessary na their investment and then go try defend them as they take defend them. We don't get people when we say they don't look say okay una dey try defend una investment, una don inflict suffering on top of me and my family members. Now the onus, I go speak English, the onus fall on, like you don't talk, people when we say we elect to represent us. People wey control the apparatus and apparatchik of government. When go do wetin dem suppose do to use ensure say the situation no get out of hand. Based on say you sabi those people well because you
going by experience,
experience and all those kind of things. Say you dey rub shoulder.
But I know be big man.
But going by the fact say you be expert for this level, all join.
Now you dey give them advice on the way they will take their hair. I go like make you let Nigerians, the ordinary people when they for house, when they see this situation, say it don't pass for us to just go church, turn out to prayer point, say these people will not see me, they will not see my family members. I cover myself with the blood of
anything we don't cover am with.
Because God don't give us the sense to use solve our particular problem. Over to you. Now you be our lecturer here today.
Guy, make I tell you, first of all, as you dey talk it is necessary when we say we go sit down, do family meeting. This family meeting at the council of chairmen then get to sit down and come to a point where we say, look, if your guys want grace, make them go that side. If they encroach where human beings they live, then you don't trespass. Now, and in that trespassing, then get to, put relationship, join with AK, police and Ministry of Agri, yes, that if they encroach into where human beings they make them flag alarm. Now, and then government need to agree, say, oh boy, if anything enter this thing, there is a level of punishment that we go. Because when these guys, they enter into area, the one challenge where they happen be say, in self-defense, anybody where they see, they fit take them out. Now, it go lead to rape, it go lead to maybe the machete person and all that. Now, those are the casualties that happen. So if anybody enter into that area, where no suppose carry cow come, call the agency and or the local authority. So like all this number, maybe like
0 something.
No, you don't put the 0. Get code, maybe like 772, 224, not 3 code. We go call the response team. They go come there. They go arrange, catch all those people who lead the cow. If the thing is getting hostile, because if they carry firearm, come they engage this thing. At the order, you begin the tell them, say, this is your cows. If this is what's causing it, you take capital punishment on them. It can get that serious, but it has to be an agreement where we say the local government chairman plus the chiefs need to sit down and agree, say this is the position. So if any person carry nama, they come area, and people no go even defend them. If they don't do that, because it has to be a community approach.
Yes.
The community approach will now grow into the government approach. And then into the policing approach. Because if a fight break out now, you get to the shore, say, guy, say this man don't do wrong. But now we have not defined what is right or what is wrong. That is why I say the foundation be now there where the fire day. Yeah, so if you not define...
Chukudi, I need to chip in this quick question. Okay, when they look this particular matter now, the way they bring them from an internal address and say, okay, the way we fit address them internally. But we could also bear in mind, say, the Oga of police, the IG of police come out and talk something recently. Say, look, say, if people say a lot of all these people, these Fulani headsmen, where they carry all this badness, say that they come in from another country, which means the issue of porous borders don't they on ground. Okay, if we go fit address this internally, and you still get porous borders, we say people, anybody figures from anywhere, they say, let me visit Nigeria. Nigeria is my next location. Come in with anything if you come in. And yet, you know, come fit address the issue of those people who say their own, maybe even they carry badness of mind, still fit cause bege. How it is say the issue of porous borders, we also feel we go fit address it, so that at least we go know the range of how they address our matter, know and well.
Okay. Now, as you don't talk porous border, that's a major issue for the country. Major issue. And, you know, even immigration, then they try. But you see, as situation tough for land, boys, they find way. Now, if they no say checkpoints, they here, they don't go that checkpoint.
True.
They will go the side where checkpoint no day. Even swim, come out. So that place now becomes a route. Over time, now immigration will go put checkpoint there. Now, we know the idea, say, find way no be wrong. If you check it, don't block it, check it, don't block it, you go look for another place. Enter. So over Nigeria no be small country, not big country, with the highest population in West Africa.
Very true.
Yes. And boys we sabi trek, they sabi trek. They go waka the place, okay, say, make I come on, make I go, because even in the economics, Nigeria owns 50% of the wealth of West Africa. That's truth. So if anything happens in Nigeria, it affects
every other country.
Exactly. People, they look for how to come into Nigeria because Nigeria gets money. Now, so especially in the north, there, if you go north like this, you there look 3 kilometers, straight line. You don't go see any house left or right.
3 kilometers.
Straight road. No, be say house like here. No, straight road. Before you see person. When you dey waka, when they for inside car they pass. When you dey hear car they pass, go yeah, wow.
Yes, that's all. Yes.
Once in a while, once in a while. Then they go to see small shop back home. So when the people bring nama to graze, they know say you go buy meat here. So they have to feed the thing for you in here. Now, person investment, don't forget that part. So, and everybody, if there is no policy on the ground, then go defend their own self. Why you they put security for your house? In standard in countries there, they go put maybe alarm system. Where we say if anything happens, just press that button. 2 minutes goes on. But here now, because we never developed it that side, and our growth rate is growing faster
very true.
Than the challenge. So wahala done the day.
Oga Ubonking, if to say this, if to say as it is hot in our country, you for be our president.
For where?
Because the way you don't address this issue, some people they make it look like say
now
something where we say we go need angel to come from heaven for solve am, but you don't identify this issue.
Even from the root cause.
Exactly.
The root cause.
We don't go talk too much. We go quick rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we go change gear, enter the one we get to do with whether kidnapping don't turn better business for inside this Obodo Nigeria and waiting we go fit do no go anywhere. Now Wazobia Max, now Wazobia TV, and as it is hot.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.